So there's the inside seating area. A few customers inside there. Hello! See, this place is very, very popular. It's almost full, the restaurant there with customers. I featured this place in a video. It's very, very good here. Bar area. The seating area down there also. Here's your main. Look at this, wow. Have a new restaurant here called the Sand Beach Bar and Restaurant. Wow, it's looking so nice that. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali. It's 7 p.m. and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour in the Sindhu beach area of Sanur. So the Sindhu beach area of Sanur is a very popular tourist beach location. It has a great collection of restaurants available on the beach. There's also a Sindhu beach market in this area. You're also within walking distance to the Icon shop, the new Icon shopping mall. In tonight's video, I'm going to take a walking tour from the Pantai Sindhu sign, which is right near the Inner Sindhu Hotel. I'm going to turn left first of all and make my way down to a fabulous restaurant facility called the Birdhouse, and taking in all of the other restaurants and things along the way. And then I'm going to come back to the Pantai Sindhu sign and turn right and make my way all the way through to the new to the rear entrance of the Icon shopping mall, taking in all of the restaurants and everything along the way in that direction. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you the Sindhu beach area during the night here in Sanur. Okay, so directly in front of the camera there, even though we can't see it too well, it is the Pantai Sindhu beach sign. Some of the lighting appears not to be working. So this is also the motorbike car parking area here at Sindhu beach. Lots of car parking for motorbikes. Just in the back here we have all the tourist market stalls. They're already closed. We're just past 7 p.m. and now we're going to be heading in this direction. First of all, I'm just going to take you first of all in this direction here. So we have Lahutu's coffee shop. This is. Just walk through here. Big bike there, and the tricycles, la la. So here's the inside of Lahutu's in the back. Hello, how are you? So we have a collection of wooden tables and chairs in here. There's also a massage spa in the back there, Ayu Spa. Collection of cakes and things here. Some delicious cakes, brownies, black forest, banana cake, carrot cake, many different cakes in there. And then Lahutu's also has its own seating area outside. There's quite a few customers sat outside here, just there overlooking the ocean. Just continuing on, we have a place called Warung Kareta. Has a very big menu, Warung Kareta. So there. There's quite a few customers sat outside here. A Baruna beach massage this way. Just next here we have Tootsie Bar and Restaurant. This is Tootsie up above there. So Tootsie, I'll just show you on the surfboard so it's more clearer. A collection of wooden tables and chairs inside there. Fresh young coconut, only 25k. And then Tootsie also has a big menu there, big menu board. Also very, very popular. There's a lot of customers here sat at Tootsie. Just show you some of the beer bucket menu here at Tootsie. 5 bottles of Sinaraja, 115, Bintang Crystal, 140, Bintang, 130. It's all there at Tootsie. Just show you the coffees as well while we're here. Very reasonably priced for the beach. So next, probably the biggest and most prestigious place on the beach here in Sanur. This is a place called Birdhouse, spelt B-Y-R-D. So just to the left there we have like a little glass house coffee shop. All this nice lighting in the grass here. There's the main Birdhouse. See the construction of the roof, it looks like a birdhouse. So we have a nice seating area here again, overlooking the beach. Obviously you can't see the beach at night. Quite a few customers in there though. Beautiful seating area here at Birdhouse. Nice lights and things, and then we just go here and turn around and give you another angle on Birdhouse. So I can show you some of the seating outside here. Some of the seating along the front here. Bar inside there. Birdhouse. I'll just take you up to the main entrance and just show you bar area, seating area down there also. Here's your main seating area in Birdhouse. So there's the name, just so you know. We'll walk back towards the coffee shop now. Just show you briefly inside here. There's the inside of the coffee shop here at Birdhouse. Okay, so I'm just stood at the back of the Pantai Sindhu beach sign now, which is just here. Now we're going to be heading in this direction. Just on the right here, this is the Sindhu Turtle Conservation Centre. You can see up above. Maybe if you want to bring the kids here, they have lots of tanks featuring turtles inside. You make a donation in the box there. Big turtles, small turtles, medium turtles, all inside there. And then next we have a collection of local warungs here. It's quite busy, this one here on the left here. Called Warung Amphibia. Oh, it's on the surfboard there, no need to point up there. Some fresh seafood by the looks of it. More fresh seafood in there. And you can see it's very, very busy. So there's a lot of collection of warungs just in the back there. More seating here. This one doesn't seem as popular as the first one. So there's a collection of a few warungs there. There is some customers up here, not as many as the first one. Amphibia seems to be the popular one. There's Sindhu mini market here. If you need any snacks or drinks or anything. Just in the back there, that's the Inner Sindhu Resort Hotel. So it has like a little seating bar area out in the back there. And the Sindhu also has its own seating area on the beach. Here's at the Inner Sindhu Boo Boo Chili and Grill. 79k. Some customers sat there having a romantic dinner. Coming up next is going to be a place called Soul on the Beach. Has an inside and an outside seating area. We'll take you and show you the name first of all. So here's the name, Soul on the Beach. So there's the inside seating area. A few customers inside there. Hello! Nice seating area, and then the best bit here is the perfect picture from Bali. Love Bali, I'm never coming home. So the majority of the customers are going to be sat outside here. As you can see, this place is very, very popular. It's almost full, the restaurant there with customers. I featured this place in a video. It's very, very good here. Exceptional food. There's a wait time of 45 minutes there for getting a seat. That's how popular it is. Next we have the Caymanis. So just on the left here is the Caymanis seating area overlooking the ocean and the beach. Surprised that's a little bit not too busy. It's normally a busy place, this as well. Serves very good food. There is some customers at the Caymanis there. There's a counter area, different things available. That's the name up above, Caymanis Seaside Sanur. Okay, so just next door to the Caymanis we have a little tourist information tour booking booth there for all of your tours around Bali, just in the background there. A little tourist goods shop here called Udin Shop, selling all of your sunglasses, bracelets, watches, sandals, many pairs of sandals in the back there. It's called Udin Shop. Some bags and things, some caps as well I see, some hats. And then next on the right here we have Mourinho. I've never tried this restaurant, I want to try this. It looks a very nice restaurant. There's a nice inside and outside seating area. There's the inside, some fresh coconuts. And then here's the outside seating area here at Mourinho. Just moving on from Mourinho now. Just on the right here we have this Sindhu beach market. Some of the shops are just starting to close now. Still many are still open actually. All up in the back there. A few little tourist goods and the convenience store side by side there. On the bicycle rental and things now, but it's a bit dark to see it. I'll just keep walking along the pathway here. Okay, so I'm just going to take a detour to the right here. Just in the right here we have Kajora Villas and Suites. Very nice accommodation this. All looks very, very beautiful. It's the rear entrance there coming out onto the beach. And then next, coming up on the right hand side, is going to be the brand new icon Bali Sanur Mall. So we'll just take you and show you they do have a, it's improving all the time. There's a wooden decked area here with beanbag style seating. There's quite a few people actually sat here. And then just on the right, ooh la la, look at this, wow. Have a new restaurant here called the Sand Beach Bar and Restaurant. Wow, it's looking so nice that. I must try this one. Very, very nice looking place.
But you know what it is.
There's the icon Bali Mall in the back there. Very beautiful, aesthetically beautiful looking mall. All the water features and things here. And then just here on the end we have Natty's Bar and Grill. It's also very, very busy inside that Natty's Bar and Grill. Lots of customers in there. Buy one, get one free. Happy hour on the cocktails. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll here in the Sindhu beach area of Sanur. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, you've got a fabulous collection of beachside restaurants and also the collection of beachside warungs. You saw some of the restaurants were very, very busy, particularly Seoul on the beach. That was packed to the rim and you had a waiting time to get in there. Also the first warung that we passed on the walking tour as well, that also seemed very, very busy. You've also got the Sindhu night market in this area. You do have many massage as well on the beach in this area, massage ladies. Obviously at this time of night they're not around. And then right there at the end you had the fabulous new icon Bali Mall. So there's looking very impressive now out the back. The new sand restaurant looks very interesting. You had the other restaurant on the other side as well. All in all, that just really is a fabulous addition to the beach area here in Sanur. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and get the opportunity to pay some of these places a visit during your holiday stay here in Sanur. And I shall say bye for now.